Hi guys, how y'all doing? So the other day I recreated a dish that I usually order for when I eat out, and it's the good sweet and hot wet fry. What I have in front of me are some of the ingredients that I'm going to be using to make the stock or pre-boil the meat. And we have some rough mirapa, which is carrots, onions, garlic, and then I have some spices, cinnamon, cardamoms, I have cloves, I have some black peppercorns, and then I'm just going to transfer everything into clear water and then put in my meat because I want them to cook together so that it can absorb all those flavors. You can do the other way around where you just put the meat on pan and cook it until it's all ready, but I'm just preferring to cook it down. Make sure to season that mixture really well, because we need enough salt to go into the meat and tenderize it, and also we need it seasoned to the bone. So put in enough salt. This water, you can use it to make pilau, you can use it to make sauce, or whatever you want to do with it. It's still as fragrant and nice. So we're going to drain it and separate the meat from there, and then we're going to be using some little bit of oil on a hot pan, a heavy base, and then we'll put in our cooked meat and brown it on both sides, making sure it's nice and golden. And then as we're doing that, I'm gonna ask you once again, as always, to subscribe if you haven't subscribed, please. The year is still a bit slow this side, but it's gonna catch up. I promise. It's gonna be lit. You don't want to miss anything, so make sure to turn on your notification bell, give this video a thumbs up, share with your friends, and if you ever try out this one, please make sure to tag me. And I want to see the experiences. I want to see the results on Instagram, the same name, The Cooking Nurse. I am going to add in some of the ingredients, the onions once again, and we're not going to cook them down. Make them wilt and soft and fragrant. They'll give up. At this stage, they've already given up and they're giving you a good aroma, and that is the stage you want them, not burning. And remember, we are using very little oil, so do not use a lot of heat. Reduce the fire. And then we're going to add in the other vegetables that I'm using, capsicums and carrots. Whichever vegetables you really have, do that. And then in a separate box, we're going to mix our sauce, which is the hot and sweet sauce. I'll add in some dark soy sauce or light soy sauce, whatever. I'll add in some little bit of vinegar or lemon juice, and then mix everything together and put it in here. I'm going to season again or spice with some paprika. I basically put this in everything, and then some curry powder, the Simba one. I don't know if it's everywhere, but it's just small curry powder to elevate the flavor. And then that's it. You want to add in water? It's up to you. You don't want, like I didn't want, it's also up to you. I enjoyed this with chips. I basically recreated the whole dish, and that is how simple this is. I'll be seeing you soon in my next video. Thank you so much for watching up until this time. If you haven't subscribed, please do, and bye.